An operator represents an operation to be performed on some data and it should give some value, some result. And an operand is a data item on which the operator performs the operation. So, every operator needs some data, some value on which it has to operate, and that particular data on which it operates is called an operand. There are plenty of operators available in the software language C. Just to give you an overview of all the operators that are available in C, here you can see the type of operators and their symbolic representation. We have arithmetic, relational, logical operators which require a minimum of 2 operands to perform their operation. We have the increment and decrement operators which come under the unary type, which require just a single operand. And we have the assignment operator, bitwise operators, comma operator and conditional operator. So, if you will see, we have a total of 8 different classifications of operators in C and their symbolic representations.